Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Assurant phone insurance. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you can cancel your Assurant insurance by using three ways. So the first method is like contact with their customer support team. Okay, you need to contact Assurant customer support team and you can visit on this page, and I will provide you this link in our video description page. And once you are on this page, you can contact with their customer support and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance and they will cancel. Okay, so if you have taken your insurance by Google Store preferred care, you can cancel your insurance by call customer support of Google Store and you can get help related to cancellation. And if you have any kind of carrier or retail protection, then you can contact directly, and there you can select retail or carrier like Costco or T-Mobile, and you can cancel by contacting their customer support team. Okay, so these are the options. And if you cancel your insurance within 30 days of purchase, and if you have not filed any claim, you can get some refund also. And after 30 days there is no refund and return policy. Okay, so this is the thing. And the thing is, like, you need like EMI number also. Your EMI number should be in your hand. Okay, if you are going to cancel your insurance. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.